keep getting error loading files in Mobile Legends issues on your Mobile Legends while playing the game? When there is something wrong with some files on the Mobile Legend, you can have loading files in Mobile Legends. But solving this problem takes only 3 processes. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable restricted data for Mobile Legends apps. Open the setting, scroll down, tap Privacy Protection, tap Special Permission, scroll down, tap Unrestricted Data, find the Mobile Legend apps. Toggle this option. Follow the second solution. Recover your resources files in Mobile Legends. Now tap and hold Mobile Legend gaming apps. Tap App Info, enable the Auto Start option. Also enable App Permission, tap Files and Media, tap Allows. Now allow all the necessary permission for your Fortnite app. Go back here, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now to re-download, follow the third process. First, ensure that you have speed and a stable internet connection. Now open the game. Now please wait around 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, all the data will be downloaded. After this, you'll no longer have this problem on your Mobile Legends apps. Now, if you have any problem with your Mobile Legend, please comment below. Thanks for watching.